Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting new leaks about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. A recently surfaced promotional image has revealed some impressive upgrades, and today, we're going to break them down for you. Not only does this new drone stay within the all-important sub-250G weight category, but it also brings a slew of next-gen features that could change the drone game. Let's explore everything we know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro so far. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is the 1-inch camera sensor. If these leaks are accurate, this would be a massive jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor typically translates to better image quality, improved low-light performance, and more vibrant colors, making it a dream come true for drone photographers and videographers who are looking for sharper, more detailed shots. The larger sensor will also offer greater dynamic range, giving users more flexibility in post-production. But the upgrades don't stop there. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a redesigned gimbal system that adds a vertical shooting mode, making it even more appealing to social media content creators. With vertical shooting, you can now capture portrait-style footage directly from the camera. This eliminates the hassle of cropping or editing after the fact, making your workflow much smoother. Furthermore, the camera is rumored to have the ability to tilt upwards, opening up exciting creative possibilities, like capturing aerial shots of tall buildings or filming from unique angles that were previously impossible with the Mini series. Another major feature is the Lair obstacle avoidance technology, which DJI seems to have taken to the next level. With dual front-facing wide-angle sensors and inward-facing black sensors, the drone will be equipped with enhanced object detection and navigation systems, making it safer to fly, especially in low light or tight spaces. This is especially important for drone users looking for increased flight autonomy. Flight performance is another area where the Mini 5 Pro shines. With a rumored 25-kilometer flight range and up to 50 minutes of flight time, the Mini 5 Pro delivers a huge upgrade over its predecessor. This means you can enjoy longer, uninterrupted flights and fewer battery changes, giving you more time to capture stunning aerial shots. The improved flight stability ensures that your drone stays in control even during longer trips. One of the most intriguing features of this new drone is built-in audio recording. While most drones don't typically capture audio, this could be a game-changer for vloggers and content creators who want to add live narration or ambient sounds to their videos without having to carry additional equipment. While external audio recording will still be essential for professional-level sound quality, this built-in option could make a huge difference for casual users looking to add a personal touch to their content. When it comes to landing, DJI has also made some smart tweaks to ensure smooth landings, even in low-light conditions. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to include precision landing sensors and a LED ground illumination system, which will make nighttime flights and landings safer and more accurate. The drone's design has also received some refinements to improve its overall stability. You'll find that the Mini 5 Pro has slightly redesigned legs on the front arms and a more robust main body, offering both enhanced durability and flight stability compared to the Mini 4 Pro. As if these upgrades weren't enough, DJI seems to have integrated more AI-powered features into the Mini 5 Pro. This includes improved subject tracking and automated cinematic modes, which will make capturing stunning shots much easier. Whether you're flying for content creation, travel, or professional aerial photography, these features are designed to make your flight experience more intuitive and enjoyable. The inclusion of intelligent flight modes and better camera mobility also means you can get those cinematic shots with minimal effort. Despite all these impressive upgrades, DJI has managed to keep the Mini 5 Pro under 250 G, which means it won't fall under heavy regulatory restrictions. In many regions, including the United States, drones under this weight limit don't require registration, making it a great option for both hobbyists and professionals looking for a hassle-free flying experience. Although DJI has yet to confirm, the price industry insiders speculate that the Mini 5 Pro will likely be priced higher than its predecessor, considering its enhanced hardware and new features. The addition of the 1-inch sensor, vertical shooting, advanced AI-powered flight modes, and improved flight performance could justify a price increase. All in all, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks to be one of the most advanced drones in the Mini series. Yet offering a mix of portability, performance, and cutting-edge technology that will surely appeal to content creators, vloggers, and drone enthusiasts alike. The ability to capture portrait-style footage, enhanced object avoidance, and the upgraded camera system make this drone a strong contender for anyone looking to take their aerial footage to the next level. As the official announcement draws closer, the excitement is palpable. If these leaks turn out to be true, DJI may well be poised to redefine the ultralight drone market with the Mini 5 Pro. What do you think about these rumored features? Would they be enough to make you consider an upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for all the latest tech news and updates.